Hi guys, so today I wanted to talk about blinds and shutters. So I get this question a lot from people about what should I do, blinds or shutters out, what's the best way? And so I wanted to provide a different option that I think is really great. This is actually like a Roman shade and it has like the flap kind of panel. What I like about this is that because it is a fabric, it adds texture and some posh to the room. So it's not as like, just plain shutters. It does have like texture to it, so I just feel like that adds like a little bit of frill to the room. And you can see they function just kind of the same, where you can stack them, so you could still, this is how they stack, so it's not like material just gathered. It looks like very put together, and it's open and you can still enjoy the sun, but then you can also we're in a media room, so obviously they want it to be dark, and so this is a way to just kind of let the shade down but still provide very much of privacy like you would want. So this is an option. They're called Roman shades. I actually have a lady that does custom blinds, Roman shades, shutters, all the things for window treatment. So if you need someone, reach out to me and I'm happy to send her your way. Have a fancy day.